Siddesh, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine? Good. Chalo.
Yes.
You're following the classes, everything understandable?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, let's go. Um, we have class. We have this one, this one. This right? evening 9 to 10. Last time what we finished? We have finished the enterprise structure, correct? We have finished this also. We have finished material master, vendor master also, correct? Yes, guys? Let me just check teaching sheet whether we have finished or not. P2P cycle. Yes. Data. Okay, yes, we have made all this assignment. Okay, plant material supplier we have made. Everything is made. Okay, very good. Let's go. Let's move ahead. Today we will go to yes. Today I will teach you what material type account assignment categories. Okay, let's go. Um, material types. Maybe here material. Oops. Where is the one? Scroll up. Material type. Maybe not in this book. This book it is easier. Okay. Why can't I find material types? Material types. Hmm. I got found it. Yes. Yeah. Can you see material type? This? Yes. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will just share.
Yes.
I will just share the screen. So whenever we are creating a material, no MM01, if you go and if you see this material type here, this one. Can you see? So we are selecting, let's say ROH, raw material, we can select ROH. We can select finished goods, FERT. We can select finished goods. Can you see here? Like that, there are many material types here. Can you see? Yes, no? Hawa is trading goods. HALV is semi-finished goods. Can you see everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we just learn different kinds of material types for now. Everybody, can you write in your notebook? CONT is Kanban trainer. Can you write Kanban container? Just write down all these material types quickly. CONT, DIN services, ERSA spare parts, FERT finished goods, FHMI production resources, tools PRTs, HALB semi finished goods. Can you write quickly? We have to finish this. I'll give you 30 seconds to write, okay? Quickly write. to figure out who else. Sumit is also here. Okay.
Yeah, hi Sayok.
Yeah. Okay. No worries. I was just checking who is there here. Chaitanya is also
Yeah.
here. Yes. Can you please write everybody?
Today
Write.
what we are doing?
We are doing material types.
Okay.
Can you just write it down quickly?
Yeah, I have done.
FHMI help. Can I go ahead? Everybody? Yes. Okay, I'm going ahead. Okay. After HALB, there is next page. Yeah, write these down. HAWA, HERS, HIBE, EBOW, KMAT, LEER. Write this down. Okay, I'll go ahead. Everybody written down? Yes. Everybody wrote. I'm going ahead.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now write this. LEIH, NLAG, PIPE, ROH, UNBW. Okay, everybody written. I'll go ahead. Okay. We write this. PERP, WETT. Okay, everybody written. Okay, let's go. So I'll just tell you. There are different material types. Okay, what is CONT? It is for creating Kanban trainers. Kanban trainers used in Kanban container based systems. So different system will have different materials. First, I will explain you the standard materials. Wait, where is it? Back, 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 back. Okay, standard ones are these. You should remember these. These are very important. Write them separately or you can mark them as star, ROH raw material, HALB semi-finished, FERT finished goods, and HAWA trading material. Okay, these are very important. These are standard ones. So interview question, I made sure you wrote everything in your notebook, but even if you in the interview, if you give these four, it is enough that you can say that ROH is a material type, HALB is a material type, FERT, HAWA. You can name others also, but these four are the most important. You should always remember them. They are the core of all the material types. Okay. Okay. Written down. Okay. Let's go. Now, for example, how will you make this? It is very important. See, everybody has made, someone has made ADPK, ADRM, ADSF, AL74. Everybody has made their own material types. So let's say you go to a company, you go to client location. Okay, let's say Chaitanya. Chaitanya goes to California. He goes to California in a company and they say that we need a new material type and we need a different name for it. How will you make it? So there is a path for it. What is the path? So let's go. Configuring a new material type. Write down this path and also write down the transaction code. OMS2 is the T code and the path also. Write it down. Logistics and SPRO, SAP reference IMG, Logistics General, Material Master, basic settings, material types. define attributes of material types. Everybody write down.
Sir, this is for material, creating a material, or how is it?
Yes, during when you create a material, Chaitanya, you see this. Whenever you, let's say you go here, you put it MM01 to create a material, MM01. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's say in mechanical engineering, you want to make a finished goods, right? So you go FERT. Can you see FERT?
Yes.
Now you want to make, let's say, raw material. Create a raw material. Then you go ROH. Okay, got it?
Huh.
Yes. So tomorrow, let's say you go to California and the company says, I want a finished good only, but I want the name of the finished good to be FIFE, something like that, which is not here. So we can make FIFE as a material type for finished goods. So we should be able to create that. So while creating the
Okay.
material, you should know how to create a material type. This comes under the implementation. So the company will tell you, Sumit, did you make this when you were working?
No, we used standard T codes here, ROH and FART,
FERT,
like
correct.
this.
You see, I am teaching you this extra because you should have the knowledge how to create it. Most of the times when
Yes,
you
sir.
most of the times when you go for project, you will be using the standard ones only. But what if the client says how to make a new one? Can you make a new one? You should know. You should just know that what is it and how it is to be made. So that's why I'm giving you. I'm teaching you from that perspective also, from the implementation perspective also. Okay. So now we'll go and create a material.
New material.
Yes, yes. Chaitanya is here. Siddesh, Satish, Sumit, and Murshid. Okay, great. So let's go back. Path was SPRO, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Then we'll go to Logistics General. Logistics General. Then we'll go to Material Master. Then we'll go to Basic Settings. Then we'll go to Material Types here and define attributes of material types. You see, define attributes of material types. Now we are here. Now let's say you want to let's now Chaitanya goes to, for example, California. He says the guy says we need finished goods, but I want you to name the material type is FIFE. What you will do? You will first find finished goods here, standard FERT. Now once you find that standard one, you select it. After selecting, he wants the name another one finished goods, but he wants it FIFE. So you go copy it. Copy. You will find a screen like this. Okay. Once you find the screen, you will just rename it as FIFE. FIFE. Okay. So first you have to check whether FIFE exists or not. We'll go back. We'll cancel this. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. First you have to check whether FIFE exists. FIFE. It is not there. Got it? It's not there. So we go to
Yes.
FERT and we go to select this and make, or let's say for raw materials he wants to do. He wants to do for raw materials also. ROH is standard. ROH is standard. In this, just write raw materials. Okay. Save. Continue. Okay, raw materials. So for raw materials, he wants the name to be RILT, something like that. So what you will do, you will select this and you'll copy this. And he wants the name. Now, why is finished goods coming? Oh, no, wait. I'll just go back, go back, go back. Yes, we'll go inside again. So sometimes what happens, you have to go outside of the system because first we chose FERT, so it was taking FERT. So as not to, so for the new configuration to be implemented, you have to come out of the path and then go again. Okay, remember this. So we go again, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, we'll go to
Logistics General.
Logistics General, we'll go to Material Master, then
Master.
we'll go to Basic Settings,
Basic settings.
Material Types,
Types,
on
different
define
types of
attributes.
material attributes.
Yes, here we are. Now we go to ROH. Okay, and now we just copy this and then we select it and copy like this. Now ROH is here. And now let's say he wants to name it as RIPE, right? Okay, right. And so all these settings, whatever the standard settings are there, don't change anything. Okay. So external purchase orders, and then if whatever views you want, you can select from here. You remember the views we selected? So all the views come from here. Whatever we select, the views will be visible there. Okay, very important to remember. So if any view is not there while selecting a material, you can go and select it. Then yeah, it will show you. Then you will go back, come down. Okay, once you come down, price control, let it be moving average price. For raw materials, we use moving average price. For finished goods, we will use standard price. Okay, in the material. Account category reference 0001. Let everything else be the same. Okay, for you, basically what you have to understand that this is for raw materials. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll press enter. Okay, okay, press enter again. Okay, why did I copy this? You see, number of dependent entries copied. I copied this from standard ROH because all there are 543 configurations or different things inside the material type which have been copied. If we have to make the new material type, it will take many hours or many days. So don't do that. Okay, copy from the standard ones. SAP always gives us the standard things. So always copy from the standard. Everybody clear? So you see all of the configurations have been copied to RIPE. Now let's select it. Okay, now save it. Okay. Now we have to check whether RIPE exists or not. How will we check? Let's go back. Now we'll go to MM01. MM01. Now we should see here RIPE. Let's see RIPE. RIPE. Can you see? Where is it? RIPE. Can you see RIPE raw materials? Yes, no, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, so this is how you create a material type. Okay. But see, you will most of the time you will not be able, no, you should not, nobody will ask you that. They will select the standard ROH. ROH for raw materials, use FERT for finished goods. Nobody will bother with that. Okay. So just in case anybody asks any project, if there's a requirement or there's a confusion and you want to create a new one, so you can create that. And mostly, you know what you have to use. One more thing I have to tell you here. Let's go again. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. You go to logistics general, go back to material master, then you go to basic settings, and then you go to material types, and then you go to define attributes of material types. Okay, we'll find RIPE, RIPE, enter, double click on it. Okay, now you see most of the time you have to make sure that you create that table. One second. It's okay. Let's create another one. Okay, define attributes. Let's go back to raw materials again. ROH. Let's select this, copy, and usually use Z. You should use Z. You can use ZROH or ZRIP, but you should use Z at the start, Z or Y. Z, or you can use Y also at the start. Okay, and you can make ROK as a raw material also. Okay, why Z and why? Because SAP always suggests that you should use Y and Z because other alphabets are used for SAP purposes. Okay, Z and Y customized versions or customized material types or document types are used so that it is easier for everyone to identify that this is customized. So everybody standard ones, let them be from A to X. Okay, and everybody make sure that you create Z or Y. So now we'll create another one from YROK, or you can create ZROK also. We'll press enter. Okay, we'll press enter again. Okay, continue. Always create Z or Y. Okay, we'll go back, save changes. Yes, continue. Okay, and then we'll go to, now again, let's go to MM01, and then we'll go here YROK, YROK, YR, Arey, where is it? YRO. Okay, can't find it. We made YROK only, right? YRO, YROK. Ah, yes. Can you see everyone? YROK?
I think it is taking time for reflecting.
Acha, can you see here now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, so this is the material type. Okay, this is how you create a material type. So very simple, very basic to understand. Always use the standard ones until nobody has told you anything. Okay, now one more important thing, material type is done. Now we'll go to 1 second.